So give us the story.
Well, we drove last night and the windows. Every time I put this window up, it keeps popping this belt line molding out, so I'm going to work on that. But the story is, Luke, out here in eastern PA, not New Jersey, not Philadelphia, suburbia slash kind of affluent suburbia, has had a first gen in his driveway since he was 15 and a half, whether his neighbors had BMWs or not. So he brought us this next truck, his latest, to make it as nice as he wished it was. So we have ripped this sucker down all the way, sandblasted frame, fresh built P-pump compound turbo, big injector motor, so it's a fresh Steve Cole diesel power source, power driven diesel, 650 horsepower build there, South Bend clutch, dual disc, paint, Alex Watkins, lift kit, suspension, tires, intercooler, big intercooler kit from our website.
And what's the story with a cap? Why in the world did we throw a cap on this truck?
So the whole point of this vehicle is about going to college. And Luke is pretty adventurous. He will do camping, he will do hiking, he will be staying here, there, and everywhere if at all possible. And it's a mobile hotel without having to go get a hotel, so he's going to make the most of summer breaks and things like that. And that was why it has a cap. It was definitely a plan from the beginning.
All right, we drove to about 4 in the morning, stopped, slept for a few hours. It's about 9:30, 10 a.m. We're gonna deliver this truck.